Hello, good morning. This is Prince and welcome to day 1 of me uploading YouTube Shorts to share with you helpful information regarding health, wellness, and lifestyle. And today we will be talking about energy. So why energy? Is very important for me. Yung mas nakaka-relate ako because I need steady energy throughout the day. I work in the field and mas ma-avoid ko yung mga crashes of low energy throughout the day if I have a steady energy. And what's the key to steady energy? The key is proper nutrition and timing of nutrients. So sa umaga, for me, when I changed my nutrition habits, ang nangyari is I am not crashing through the day na 10 a.m. pa lang. I'm already feeling a bit cranky or a bit groggy dahil of low energy and I will be needing more caffeine. And the only key na nakita ko when I modified my diet 3 months ago is having a complete meal diet, specifically protein, more on protein in the morning and less on carbs na madaling ma-absorb ng body, because carbohydrates are actually insulin, parang nag-create siya ng madaming insulin, and when the insulin spikes in your blood, when the sugar spikes in your blood also, after that, pag nawala na yung sugar sa body mo, magkukos siya ng crashes. So yung pinaka-key ko doon is a steady energy is a protein-based, since mas matagal siyang ma-absorb ng bloodstream natin, ng body natin for energy utilization. And then if kailangan ko na ng caffeine or any energy sustaining drink or beverage from 10 a.m. onwards, I'm making sure na I'm not taking more than 50 milligrams of caffeine, and it's a tea-based para slow release and hindi siya madali mag-exit sa body. And in the afternoon, hindi na ako nag-take ng caffeine. All I'm taking in the afternoon is sugar-based fructose or prutas para masustain ko yung energy until 5, 6, or 7 p.m. in the evening. So that's a short advice for you and short sharing of information for today. Have a good day. If you're liking my video and you want more information, please follow my page and my Instagram, or subscribe to me here at YouTube. I'll be uploading more of our YouTube shorts. See you, and nice meeting you.